Right. It's already. Damn, right. Damn.
This episode has been brought to you by Squarespace. Thank you, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy for you to create a beautiful website and sell anything from products to content to time. We'll talk more Squarespace later on.
That man doesn't need to be somewhere. This lady's running late to pick her son up from daycare.
Shit, man, you know what it is, man. We're over here in Palm Beach, where the old rich white ladies with little afros are at. It's their stomping grounds. A lot of floral patterns. Hip problems run rampant. Mercedes-Benzes, but also...
Damn, you're 32? What the heck?
I know, oh my god. 32?
Her birthday is January 12th, mine is February 1st, and we're the same. We're both 93. So she gets to dip her toes in and test out the new age. And let me know how it feels before I get into it.
So far, it's been nice. It doesn't really feel that much different.
Back pain, no?
Nope, I don't have back pain.
No new aches? No bumps?
Bumps? You should take care of your body's, kids.
Oh, there it is. There's a 32 coming out. Y'all better take care of your spine. Before it's too late. So this camera, these glasses, that camera, that mic, that brush, that glasses, giant bag. You need me to carry this? Yes, sir.
God.
That's the wall.
So, we got our first good morning.
Oh my gosh. You know the owner and the dog is cute? Yeah. Shit. Cracking in here. It's the thong slipper lifestyle, Chad. Dang. Damn, real cool. Put on Superman real quick.
I got a dark cherry vanilla latte with vanilla foam.
It's amazing.
I haven't tried it yet.
It's good for girls. Yeah. Damn, I feel like Dame Drops.
Who is that?
He does like fast food reviews, but he has like a strip of white hair. Tell the audience what you just said about your drink.
I kind of don't like it.
It's a hit.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's too cherry.
That's what happens when you experiment too much.
I know.
I get the double cherry, the creamy.
Dark vanilla cherry latte.
Squirts
I didn't like
with the
it.
cheese cones.
I should just got a vanilla latte and called it a day.
It's okay, it's your birthday. On the sourdough. It's my last time doing the pig, man. Classic BLT, all American. See a little spicy.
Okay.
Not bad, Sweden.
Thanks, Sweden.
That's it?
What you mean?
You done?
That was a big sandwich. Like that smash button.
All right, now, shit, I don't know. Worth I have the Can I Help You strip. Can I help you guys? Laurel Piano?
Piano, sorry. Piano.
Laurel Piano? Who's that?
This brand right here.
This is like the Bloor Street of Palm Beach. Very Beverly Hills, well-kept lawns. Oh, nice. A lot of pearl clutching going on here. What the hell is this? Smooth jazz for no reason? Hey. I don't know what's up with these black, white kids and shit.
No, those are white. Give you up. Can I get my
Never
phone?
gonna let you down. I'm Pocket Man. Right here.
Oh.
It's the least sketchy alleyways I've ever seen in my life. I'm noticing an influx in tiny khaki shorts. You checking out the Jack Harlow video? Oh, food.
I hate when they do food like, why are you showing the food like this?
It's an old lady.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wait, at what point can I come in there?
You can come in whenever you want. Are you about to take a shower in here?
Like,
Someone live now.
that's what I'm saying. Gotta dye my beard, child. Shit.
Jermaine here dyeing his beard, y'all.
Well, so what? 32 too. I'm 31. That's basically me on the box.
He has grays.
There's silver. Shit. 31, yo. This is chemistry. Oh, shit.
Jermaine.
What? You can't curse on TikTok?
Yeah, so.
Damn, I got beard juice on the camera.
Yeah, I called Jermaine by his full name.
Jermaine.
Jermaine.
Look at this, 31. Look, this is me.
You know who I really like it? I think I love it on other people. I haven't tried it yet, but I love it on what's her name? Honestly, I'm either one. I don't really.
Has it been 5 minutes? Set a timer for 3 minutes. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Bruh, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Okay, I definitely gonna have to get off of here because Jermaine has to shower in the shower.
Don't blame it on me. Oh my god, yeah, it's burning. Look, my hair just turns orange. 32 shit, man. Taking a morning walk. Damn. Little iced coffee. Damn. 32. Little juice, low sugar. Damn.
No sugar.
32. I love my car. You used to go on walks when you're 25 and shit.
No. What was I doing at 25?
Ubering everywhere.
Oh, true. Jeez.
32 shit. Break the grip of the rip. 32 shit, man. 32. Break the rip of the grip. Soak my cash. This could be a good juice commercial for these guys.
Right?
Is he one of the jellyfish ones?
Yeah.
He has a brain right now? Is he like, oh?
Yeah.
He's just an organism.
In the brain. Hot.
You need a Shaq Icy pack on my back.
32.
So you're looking to finally launch that website. Squarespace is the answer. They have all the tools you need to help you run your online business. For example, Squarespace Blueprint AI and SEO tools. Create a completely personalized website with a guided design system. Squarespace Blueprint. Choose from professionally curated layout and styling options to build a unique online presence from the ground up. Launch your brand new website and get discovered fast with integrated SEO tools. You want to make checking out seamless for your customers with simple but powerful payment tools. Squarespace is the answer. You could accept credit cards, PayPal, and Apple Pay, and in eligible countries, you can offer your customers the option to buy now and pay later with Afterpay and ClearPay. To get you started, slide over to squarespace.com for a free trial. Once you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/4YE to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Nice.
Yeah, man, you know what it is, man. Saturday, February 8th. Drake and PARTYNEXTDOOR are about to drop some sexy songs for you, for the ladies. This Valentine's Day, we received a special request to do a promo sketch. Turn this shit around very quick. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Wrote a script. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Send it over. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Assemble a team. Zoop, zoop. Shoot it today. Zoop. Edit it. Zoop, zoop. Send it out for coloring. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Kind of missed the rush of shooting sketches. What the way of OL? Bro, my cousin.
Good. Chilling, man. Chilling.
Sheesh. How you guys get this by lobby? What's the deal, team? How you doing? Chilling, man.
Hey, how are you?
Morning, morning. Good sleeps? Good sleeps?
Oh, yeah.
What's the deal, man? Good morning. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is a girl's dream. They probably think we're shooting them. Let's pine. How thoughtful. Nah, this is amazing.
How close did you want the cam to him?
Can I see like a...
I think that's a good speed.
Holy the webby.
Nice.
We're bringing it back.
Big dog.
My fault. Yeah, this is it, pretty much.
Girl, good girl. You don't even stress me out. Let me do what I want. Take the whip 2-3 days. You're chilling, bro. Laid back.
The jewelry has expanded over the years.
Ruby red?
V-Day red.
V-Day red?
Ruby on the wrist or nah? That's too much for him.
Ruby on the wrist. You're a good girl, you know. Girl, good girl. Make me travel harder.
More times you're not even cheesing me.
You don't even stress me out.
Paging me, asking man, where are you? When you get at home?
I don't even mind putting in the extra hours for you, babes. Straight. You're the plug to my piece. And I need that.
I read that.
Go straight to Cleef and say, yo, swipe the card, bro.
Independent.
I like the little pause. You're not gonna follow.
I feel like you could sell that you don't even stress my brain.
You don't even stress my brains, bro.
Stress my brains.
Run the brains. I can't say that. You're a good girl, you know.
Put the new. What am I saying? Bro, put the go yard in front of the
Bro, prop up the product proper, bro. What do you mean?
For the winter?
For
the winter months.
Okay, 11:22.
Yeah, we're good to rip.
You're a good girl, you know, Tracy.
Oh yeah, the messenger.
Oh, that's why I'm not feeling complete.
The Gucci could stay here. Did you need his jewelry box?
Dude, that's cute. That's cute.
Spare decorations. Yeah, man. Sweating, eh?
Yeah, I'm in a winter coat. But it kind of helps. I'm sweating.
Yeah, I'm nervous. You're looking into the lens, but I'm actually ready.
Should I stand or should I sit?
I say stand so you can move around and waddle. Squirm, you know?
Yeah, big guy, you know. What's that line, Jermaine? After?
I fuck with you heavy. More times you don't even stress my brain.
I fuck with you heavy. And straight after that, she's saying, yeah, like, that's it. Where you going? What do you mean?
You're not hearing me, bro.
Love you, man. Why is the guy moving like that? Moving bare emotional, like he's on his reds,
My
bro.
shots, maybe that 3-piece you're talking about?
Yeah, cool. We can cut it.
An hour and a half left.
This is my last, at least, yeah.
After this one, we just do the.
I should just put it up again.
Yeah.
Touch me, that's blessed, no?
All a shorty really wants to hear is I love you. So verbalize that, and you're in that.
That's basically what I'm saying, Lucky. I'm holding flowers with a bottle of kiss. I love you. Are you gonna tell me I'm not saying it, bro? I'm fully saying it, and you three mans are hearing me say it.
Bro, you gotta verbalize that.
What do you mean I'm not saying it? I said it and it's said. Are you gonna tell me I'm not saying it, bro? I'm fully saying it, and you three mans are hearing me say it. This guy's on his res or something. Like, why is he so emotional, bro?
Can we get even closer on that, Theo? Around that area. Did we already do Chanel Be My Shorty?
This is crazy.
Yeah, what the fuck? So wet.
Don't say that. I know. I think she's a bro.
Yeah, this whole time.
Oh, sorry.
We can't speak links.
Yeah, prop up the Prada.
You want him moving it at all?
That would be neat if we
Action.
could grab that, yeah.
That shit is so funny, bro. That shit is perfect.
Bro, you gotta verbalize that.
You don't know shit. I'm trying to make you my team for life. You already know what it is with us, bitch. You're different than all these things that greased and pieced. Them goddamn deceased.
I love you.
Yeah, that too.
Fam, you gotta say it.
I basically said that.
Fam, just say I love you and
I'm
don't.
beating sweat here, bro. I said it, bro.